How to refund a game on Steam. In order to do that, head over and open your Steam and then click on this help right here. Click on the Steam support and then this will load you in order to show you the Steam support. Now you can see this right here. Now from in there, just head over right here to your purchases. And then you should be able to see in here or select an issue for purchase. So you can head over and then view in here this complete purchasing history. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see in here any purchases that you have made. So as of right now, I haven't had any purchase history yet. But if you have that, you should be able to see a cancel or a refund button based on the game that you have purchased on Steam. So you can head over and then click on that button and then you should be able to request a refund. But make sure that you're requesting a refund within 14 days of purchase and you have played the game for less than 2 hours. So that's how you refund a game on Steam. Thank you for watching and I hope this video helped you out.